Paulus Potter was baptized 20 November 1625, buried 17 January 1654. He was a Dutch painter who specialized in animals within landscapes, usually with a low vantage point. Potter's most famous painting is the Young Bull, and is not to be confused with his work The Bull. The Young Bull was composed after drawings Potter made in nature, and is now located in Mauritshuis in The Hague. Though this painting was criticized, it was greatly admired during the 19th century as an early example of Romanticism. The Young Bull features as the canvas being studied in Mark Tansey's 1981 monochromatic oil on canvas The Innocent Eye Test.